Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making a single serving pumpkin chocolate chip blondie in a skillet. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a super easy recipe and you can make it in one bowl, which we all love. So if you're excited to see me make this fall recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends as it really helps the channel. And without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. So first thing you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then add your protein powder. So I used PE Science limited edition pumpkin pie protein powder. This is so good, it smells really good. If you can get your hands on this, great. Otherwise, you could just use vanilla, totally fine. This is a whey casein blend. This recipe should work with just whey. If you want to purchase PE Science, be sure to use my discount code FIT15. Next, add in some all-purpose flour. Then next, you're gonna add coconut flour. So this is what mine looks like. You can buy it from pretty much any grocery store in the baking aisle. Next, add in your 0-calorie sweetener. So I use Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. If you're gonna buy this, use my discount code FIT15. Otherwise, you could use any other alternative brand. Next, you're gonna add in a little bit of a lot of ingredients. So you're gonna add in baking powder, then add in a little bit of baking soda. So next you're gonna add in a combination of 3 spices. So a little bit of cinnamon, then add ginger, and then nutmeg. But if you're able to find something called pumpkin pie spice, you can just add a teaspoon of that as opposed to the other 3 spices. I just haven't been able to find this. If you do, let me know. Then you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Next, you're gonna add around 1/3 of a beaten egg. So I just buy these beaten eggs in a carton, but if you don't have this, then you could just take 1 egg and then beat it and then just pour in 1/3 of it. And next you're gonna add in some pure pumpkin. So this is what mine looks like. It's just the E.D. Smith brand. Make sure to buy pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie filling because that's very different from this in terms of the macros. Next, you're gonna add in a little bit of light butter or margarine. So I use Baecel Light, it has 50% less calories than normal margarine. And finally add in some unsweetened almond milk. So now you're gonna mix that all together. It looks so orange and pumpkin-y. And then add in your mini chocolate chips. So I like to add half of them to the batter and then reserve half of them to put on top. Now set the batter aside and take your 6.5-inch mini cast iron skillet. I have this on my Amazon store. The link is in the description. So make sure to spray with cooking spray and then you're gonna pour the batter in. Use the back of the wet spoon to spread out the batter and then add the rest of the mini chocolate chips on top. So now we're gonna pop it into the oven. I'm gonna put it in for 15 and then check, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to put it in for a total of 20 minutes. So excited for this taste test. This is so gooey. It's a little bit underbaked in the middle, which I like. If you don't like that, then probably just put it in for 5 more minutes, but it's so pumpkin-y and chocolatey, and the texture is just perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it and I really hope you like this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones. So be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends as it really helps the channel. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.